This is such a cool watercolor book. It's small enough to fit in a tote bag or, in your purse. This one's called Unicorn Legend, but there are some different themes. And you can see we have done or started one of these here. There are unicorns, princesses, castles. It's really cool because it has the paints right here on the edge. You can put the date on the back. You could use these to make bookmarks. You could put them on cards. In the back, there is a place for the brush. Let me show you how this works. I'm going to show you on the one that I already started. So I have some water here. So you wet the color that you want, and depending on how dark you want the color, depends on how much paint you pick up. So this is going to be fairly dark because I really saturated that. Whoops, no, it's not. It's kind of light. Okay, let's give it another couple minutes. See if we can get some more color here. There we go. Now you can see a little bit of color. There's a peach color. Let me try a different color. Let's try this color. Oh, actually, my granddaughter did that with marker. I didn't realize that. I was thinking she had done that with paint, and that's why it was so bright. Oh, there we go. Let's see, there's a better color. That's nice and bright. And then when you're finished, you can just let it dry. You can blend these colors. Let's see if I can get something to blend here. Some light purple. Yeah, give that a couple more minutes. There we go. You can see the color starting to come up now. But you can blend the colors. They blend really nicely. I have another book that I've been working on, and I really enjoy this. This is something really fun to take with you on the go. You just need a little bit of water. You could put it in a spray bottle or, like a pill bottle or something like that. But this is great for kids or adults. And there are quite a few in here for them to do. And like I said, there are different themes if Princess and Unicorns isn't your idea.